All right, y'all. So we click on the download template for the teachers, and it opens up in this thing. Now here we've taken the liberty, and we have 4 pages. Now, if you look at this, this is with the rubric here. We have students. So if you want student 1, John or Paul, whoever it is, and this is the title mark here, K1, your introduction has these things here going straight across. And we've coded it in, so here it automatically adds up everything so that you know how much marks they get. So for example, if I were to replace this with say 0. Oh, so if you realize I'm not able to edit this. So this is a view only copy, which is done on purpose. And this is from my study community. So what you need to do, there are a few things you can do. And the answer is right here. You can go file and you can make a copy. And this will make your copy in your Google Drive. So you want to make sure that you've logged in to your Google Drive. So here I have this 1234greatness@gmail.com. So let me go ahead and make a copy. And it'll ask you where, and you put it in my drive. Well, my drive is empty. So I just select my drive and you can make a copy. And then this will automatically make a copy. And now you see here, I can click on, let me increase the size. I can click on things and I can change it. So I'm going to change this title mark from 1 to 0, and look, the 13 goes to 12. So I change it to 0, enter. See, it changes to 12. Right? So you can add all your students' marks here, and it automatically calculates it and calculate the K's, the C's, and R. You can put the dates when the first draft was given, the second draft, final submissions. You can put a second student. And what I do, I sometimes add a note, so the number of colors in the rainbow. So for student 2, I want to know what the title is. I put a little note. And how you get a note, you right click and you enter the note, and you can put hi, or you could put whatever the project was on, right? This project dealt with so on, so on, so. Or you can insert a comment. You click on it, right click, insert comment, and you have your comment here. Right? In comments. And then we have 75 entries going on, and we have multiple sheets with the same thing going across. Lovely. And the last thing that I want to show is how to do version history. So let's just say I entered some students. I can go file, version history, and I can name different versions. So I could see the version history. So this, I can see things that were made. I could revert to old versions and things like that. But I generally use it and I name my version. I put first submissions. And that's it. You go back and then you can edit. That way, the more things that you edit and you go on, you could always revert. Yeah, that way you can revert to a previous version. So there's a lot of version control, and you don't have to be worried that things are going to be lost. That's why I generally use Google Docs and Google Sheets and store it online. So I don't have to worry about anything. Or if I go somewhere and I don't have my laptop, I could always pull it down from the cloud once I have my login. So again, this is available to download for free. The link is there. It's in the description below. While you're at it, feel free to like, share, subscribe. And let me show you the last thing, which was if you don't want to make a copy, remember this was it. We went file, make a copy. Instead, you could go download. You could download as an Excel file. And when you download as an Excel file, it'll be the same thing, right? But this is just an Excel. And you are good to go. So increase the size here at the bottom. Right, so it's the exact same functionality. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed that. So feel free to download, use it, share it, spread it as much as possible. Do not request access. And now let's jump back into it.